Hi, my name is Marietta Mahani, and this week's Aqua tip we're using 2 dumbbells and we are doing what I call a mambo. What's a mambo? Well, we're going to jog to the front and to the back, but leading with one leg. So at the moment, I'm lifting up my, left leg here, and I'm jogging it to the front and jogging it behind. Now, I want you to notice something. I'm on my toes. So I'm jogging on my toes, so it's easier for me to lift my knees up high. And I'm bringing the leg right around to the front and right around to the back. And that's really important for me to get that workout because now I'm feeling it around my abdominals. Now, what are my arms going to do? Out from the shoulder or the chest, and now I've got a bicep, tricep exercise. This is an excellent cardio activity. It's a great cardio activity, and because it's one-sided, of course, then you need to repeat everything on the opposite side. Now, let me show you a couple of common errors I find with this particular exercise, and one of them is with the arms. So instead of the hands coming in towards the shoulders, some of my clients really swing their arms across. It's because they can't seem to stabilize their upper arms. You'll need to coach that they just extend and flex the elbow rather than swinging the arms across the body, which completely slows it down and it doesn't feel very good to do actually. So the arms just bend in towards the shoulder like that and they extend all the way out. The other thing to do is to make sure that they jog right around in front and right around behind. Because another one is that they just they jog forwards and back rather than getting that rotation, which makes it an abdominal exercise. So your obliques have to work hard here. I really like this exercise for lots of reasons. One is because you're moving so many body parts. It's a cardio workout and I've got the abdominal activity. And the lower you push the dumbbells in the water, the harder the exercise becomes. So it has the potential to become quite challenging. I hope you like it because I absolutely love the mambo, and that is this week's Aqua tip. As I mentioned in the pool, the jogging mambo action is one of my favourite exercises in the water. It's quite different. It feels amazing in the water, and it's got a lot to do with the fact that you jog and you're taking one leg further forward than the other, but you're also rotating the body around. That means that when you demonstrate this on land, you've got to make sure that you're not jogging forwards and back. Instead, you're jogging so that the leg crosses over in front and crosses over behind. One of the things that's most challenging about demonstrating this on land is the lifting up of the feet, because you have to lift your feet up to be able to get that movement pattern. I like using the frame for this. You can use a frame to support your weight here so you can demonstrate the movement like that, or, because remember it's on the toes, or you can use the frame this way and jog and hold it this way so you've got a bit more space behind you. That's why I like having the frame in this position, because I don't have to be worried about jogging behind me and stepping on my dog. So, not that that would ever happen at the pool. Now, the arms are here. Now, you may want to coach just the arms first. If you have a lot of people that have got poor control and they swing the arms across like this, maybe on the spot, teach them what it feels like to keep the upper arms perfectly still, because that part's got to stay still as they start moving the legs around their body. I remember what I mentioned was the lower the dumbbell was in the water, the more physically demanding it was. So start with the dumbbells up high. Focus on getting more of the movement happening below the water with what the legs are doing, and then add the challenge of dropping the dumbbells deeper into the water. If your clients can, one, keep in time at the tempo that you've asked them to keep in time with, and two, that they're able to perform the movement pattern without using the upper arm. So they're the two things that you need to be aware of. Great exercise. I really love doing it. It's an on-the-spot activity, but you can travel it. But for this particular aqua tip, it was on the spot. And of course, you probably need something in the middle, which this would be perfect for, so that you could then swap sides. And that is this week's aqua tip.